Hiya Duck. So we're off to Nailympia Vietnam. Oh my god, just like that. And 17 hours of flying later, we are in Vietnam, where there are 5 million bikes and, you know, a few cars as well, carrying all sorts of crazy shiz. I mean, this dude here has got some serious balancing techers going on there. But the first thing I wanted to do was go skating. So every country I go to this year, I want to make sure that I skate there. And sometimes it was smooth, but when we went on the back streets, I was like, oh my God, I've got to skate on the actual road, and am I going to die? Hopefully not. But absolutely loved it. Was sweating my tits off though. So it's rehearsals at the venue, and wow, what a venue and what a spectacular show. I mean, there's fireworks and all that kind of stuff. It's amazing. The big stage, it's like a concert. And then we go for food, because obviously I'm completely jet lagged and need a belly full of food and at least one cocktail just to get me through, you know. So Alina and Mino were amazing. The food was fantastic, honest to God, insane. The place was beautiful. And then we head back to the hotel to get some rest, because I'm telling you what, all that flying and lack of sleep is killing me off. I can't wait for day 2. Oh my God, because that's competition time. Welcome to the Grand Palace. Oh my God, this place is insane, and it is the location for Nailympia Vietnam. I mean, just look at how bougie this place is. Look at the stage, the lights, the dancers. It's like a whole concert going on. I've never experienced a Nailympia like this. David Ho, you really have set the bar for Nailympia. So there's David Ho and also Alex Fox. And I just sat there and I thought, wow, the time and effort that has gone in to creating this whole experience for these nail techs in these competitions is extraordinary. And look at the work. They deserve this show, and it really is a show. Look at the work. I want you to tell me which is your favourite. So we class this as number 1. This is all hand painted. Number 2, let me know if this one's your favourite. I mean, it's very difficult to pick. Number 3, these are all painted by a human being. Can you believe it? Number 4, just look. I mean, what? Are these people robots? Number 5, just look at them. I was absolutely blown away. And number 6, the detail is incredible. So number 7, look at the faces, the portraits, the detail that's gone into all of these. Number 8, I'm like, I can't choose. Number 9, and this one, I have never seen work so good at any competition that I've been to. This is my ultimate favourite piece, and actually did win. Then we've got the other competitions. This is from Stiletto and Beyond. So it's like a stiletto, but then they go crazy and do all sorts of things that can come off the nail. I'm just like, I needed to like pick myself up off the floor because I was flabbergasted. And then we broke for lunch, and the lunch was bloody gorgeous. And what an amazing bunch of judges we have here. The talent, oh my God. There's some more of the Stiletto and Beyond pieces here. I just tried to include as many in this video, so as many flat art ones, as many of the 3D stuff, and also the mixed media nail art. Look at these. I could just sit and pause the video and look at every single brush stroke. I mean, how has they even made these? It's incredible. So here we go, some little shots of us with judges. Catherine Wong, I've not seen her for 10 years. Oh my God, look how big this trophy is. It's nearly as big as me. It was an absolute honour to be part of this judging panel. This is the registration area, and you might notice a little banner here. Oh, look, that's Kirsty, Mickey, bloody hell. But look at the place, look at the chandeliers. I could do with some of them in my house. A little photo of me with Mino and Honey. And then we left for the day and went and had some amazing sushi. Probably one of the best I've ever tasted. And then we go home and there's loads of traffic, and crossing a road in Vietnam is pretty difficult. Not too bad right now, so we make a run for it and video it just in case somebody, you know, runs us over. But yeah, off we go to the hotel to get a good sleep, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Good morning, Vietnam!
So this is my last day in Vietnam, but it's also my last day judging at Nailympia Vietnam.
3, 2, 1, hands up, stop. Don't touch the hands anymore. Hands up, don't touch the hands. Kirsty, I have good news.
Quick look at the box start categories and also the poster categories as well. If you want to see these in more detail, then head to my previous post, because wow, they are incredible. The best work I think I've ever seen. These guys are tremendously talented. I'm telling you, mind-blowing. Now, if you've never seen a fantasy nail art competition before, you're probably wondering, what are these people doing? This is the fantasy nail art category. So they are dressed or body painted, and wow, the nails are extreme and take hundreds upon hundreds of hours to complete. There are so many skills involved to create these nails. They are simply breathtaking. They really are showcasing how skilled they are as a nail artist. This is true art and craftsmanship here. If these nails do not give you some kind of inspiration and fill you with dopamine, I don't know what else will, because just look at these flowers. The nails are really heavy as well, hence they are now sat at the table, taking the weight off their little fingers. But how amazing. I mean, how do they wipe the bum in those? Okay, I went too far.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Campy. Happy birthday to you. Go on, go, go, go.
You're not getting your fan bag. I've seen other people with them. They must sell them here somewhere. I need one.
Is it nice? Is it nice? Is it actually nice?
Yes, it's actually like
It's nice.
Try it!
It is tea and cream inside.
It just looks like it's been sitting there for a bit too long.
I need chocolate. I think you can. Walnut. Yeah. I tried it.
You want to try?
You not like it?
I like it.
I like the ones you gave me last night. They were amazing.
We now have the tough job of judging the fantasy nail art. Oh my god, this was a tough one, but so enjoyable. I absolutely love judging them. And here they come for the results. So first place is the one that's walking in right now. Absolutely fantastic. Well done. Massive congratulations to all of you. The work was absolutely impeccable. This trophy, the big massive one that I showed you on the previous post, is for winner of winners. And obviously there are tears of joy. This is all the competitors and the winners, and this is us lot all on stage. I had such an amazing time in Vietnam.
A celebration of nails like we've never seen before. This was electric. This was alive. I hope we do it again. This was fantastic. Thank you, Vietnam. Can't wait to come back. Well done to everyone. Thank you.
Massive thank you to Alex Fox and Damon Ho and his wonderful wife Daisy. Wow, you made us feel so welcome. And look at the trophies that they sorted out for us. We even had our own trophy with our own picture on. I couldn't believe it. I was like, what? I didn't know we were getting a trophy. But yeah, what an absolute honour and an amazing trip. Fantastic experience with the most wonderful people. I absolutely loved the whole experience. But it's time to leave. But a quick meal before we leave with some of the judges. And I just had to put this in. This lady doing the dishes on the side. I loved it. But yeah, back on the plane. Back to England, where surprisingly the weather wasn't too bad. I thought I was going to land and it was going to be absolutely bucketing it down, which it normally is in England at this time of year, but it was actually quite sunny. And I feel like we're having a little race with that plane. Thanks for watching. Try Duck!